Hi everyone, I'm going to explain to you how you're going to get into your lesson 00 that is found in the McGraw-Hill app. So you're going to click on the app. You're going to open up your Everyday Math book. Once you do that, and you're going to click on your class, and then you'll see the lessons right here, the big blue box with the lessons. Go down to the bottom here and you'll see the prior lesson 1-3 is there. So you click back. 1-2, click back. You see 1-1, click back. There's an assessment. And lastly, you will see lesson 00. So click on that to open it up. I'm going to open that lesson up. And there are 2 tiles here. You're going to complete both those tiles. They don't take very long. Once you open the first tile, I would just go in order. It has you using tools in order to, it gives you directions and it has you writing, and it already saved what I had done. So it says here to click on the pencil icon and you're going to write your name on it. And then it says to use the eraser tool. To find the other tools, once I click on the pencil, there's an up arrow. I'm actually going to erase my name. And it is here that you can also change colors. So you can see the color change right here as well. Different colors that they want you to write your name in a different color then. And then when you're done, to go to the next screen, you can either click the forward arrow, which is over up here in the top right, or do the drop down. Screen 1, go to screen 2. And pretty much follow the directions that are here. Once you're on one of these tools, like you're in the text box, once you hit the up arrow, that will give you other tools that you need to use. And then keep going through the screens, and then when you're done with these screens, you will go back to the other tile and complete that assignment. So hopefully this all made sense to you.